Hey YouTube, this is Andy again. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing a window tint visor for my 98 Acura Integra. This is for the top strip, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the process. So I'm going to get this camera set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so installing a kit from eBay. I got this window strip visor. It's pre-cut, so I got this over here. Just got this today, and I'm going to be installing it. You know, on the top strip is nothing here. Usually there is like some cars have that bluish tint on the top, but this car doesn't have it. So I'm going to try to install it. So everything is pre-cut, so it should be easy, so you don't have to guess, you know, do the cuts yourself. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little glass cleaner on the top, just to make sure everything's clean. Just wipe that down. All right, after you wipe it down, you just gotta make sure the surface is clean and best as you can, take all of the dust. Also, I have a mixture here of like soap and water to help put on the actual tint. And here's the actual tint itself. So it's already pre-cut. So from my angle, I'm going to face it this way. So I'm going to start peeling. So I was able to peel that. So what I want to do is first you want to get the window surface wet. So I'm going to spray that surface to get it all wet with soap. So this way it will stick. Okay, so I had put it on. I put on the actual tint. So it was pretty straightforward. You line it up to the top, and with your squeegee pad, look like a credit card size here. You want to take the water from the inside, from the middle to the top, and then the middle going down. And you want to just work your way around the tints until there's no more water inside. You just make sure you get the corners and the top as well. Now, it does take a couple hours to dry somewhat, but it'll take a couple days for it to be called cure. Like basically the tint goes on the glass properly. So just you want to make sure there's no more bubbles inside the tint. So once you see that, then you should be all good with the actual tints. Now at this point, you're probably gonna see your glass full of soap. So just go ahead and spray with Windex again to clean it out. But again, you gotta make sure that all the bubbles are out. So I think for the most part is out. I'm gonna look from the outside. Alright. For the most part, it looks okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some Windex. I'm gonna try to clean some of that off from the windshield. Yeah, I'm trying not to actually clean the tint because you can actually shift it and move it. So I'm trying not to do that right now. I'm just trying to clean the glass. When it's more dry, then you can go ahead and clean the rest on top. So this is pretty easy. And I'm going to show you what the outside looks like. So here goes the top tint. So that's what it looks like. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.